If you're looking for an injection molding machine, then look no further. Today I'm here at Romi in Rugby, and they have got a lot of stock. The bad news is they've sold a lot. The good news is they get continual supply here at Romi Machines. Here is the EL75. That is one of the smaller machines they have in stock. But you know, don't worry, they have an EN600, which is the other end of the spectrum. It's a monster of an injection molding machine. We've got everything here. Look, ES300, the EN380, lots and lots of stock. And then, don't know if you can see, Chris, but out the back there's even more stock. Something like a dozen machines available for immediate delivery here from Rugby. It is open. Obviously, come and have a look at machines, social distancing and all the rest of it, but you really do need to come and have a look at these machines. Outstanding quality, outstanding value, and available with special credit terms. So if you're looking for an injection molding machine, do come and see Romi.